Before I went to college, I was a housekeeper in a seniors facility, and I having a physical hard time because of the work, because it's more on physical. You have to mop the floor and wiping, dusting, doing their laundry. So I decided to go to college to change my daily routine, right? I want to have a lighter job, maybe not a physically. So I decided to enroll like a pharmacy assistant. During those times, still in the college, yeah, I have to focus what the teachers saying. Of course, I have to do my best to review and to understand the subject would be. The lab in the college, yeah, it's similar in actual pharmacy. In the college, we have computers, scroll system, and same with the pharmacy. In the college, we have the shelf for narcotics, for the generic name. So, same as in the actual pharmacy, we have the separate shelf for narcotics, for the brand name, and for the generic name.
One of the things that makes ABM College different from other colleges is the fact that we provide ongoing support even after a student graduates. We want to make sure that every student who graduates from a program at ABM College gets employed in the area of their study rather than an irrelated field. One thing that made me decide to work at ABM College has been the slogan of the college, which is the education that gets you hired. The employer-focused training programs where the students can directly transfer to the workplace. Students can reach out to their employment counselors whenever they feel like they need assistance with resume and cover letter writing, interview preparation, job search strategies, as well as networking or building connections. So far, we're glad that we have already been able to place many students for practicum as well as employment in the area that they were interested in, and it was the area of their study. There are many students like Liberty, one of our pharmacy assistant students, who is already employed in a pharmacy.
Now that I'm a pharmacy assistant, thanks to ABM College and thanks to our professors that are knowledgeable for this course. So now I'm a pharmacy assistant now in the Remedy RX Pharmacy here in Strathmore, and yeah, it changed my life.